Hello everybody, this is Kevin again, Trilakes Motors in beautiful Branson, Missouri. You're looking at a 2020 Jeep Gladiator. We've done a 2-inch Mopar lift on it. And if you look under here, we've got Fox shocks on the front, Fox shocks on the back. The tires there are 325 60/20s, a Turo Trail Blade Boss tires. Wheels are XD 831 chopsticks. They're 20x10. I'll open the door right here, the driver's door obviously. And you'll notice that we've got the factory hand grips, and if you look here, these are new. These are bolt-on Mopar hand grips, a lot better than the previous hand grips. Interior is just like a Wrangler pretty much. You notice the door's just a little different on the back door. Again, one of those Mopar handles that we've added, factory handle. Rear sliding window. Of course, there's your Fox shock. Take a look at those tires. This is a Mopar soft tonneau cover. You open up the back. Get a good view from back here. Just another view from the back. Of course, the tops are removable. Again, this is Kevin, Trilakes Motors, beautiful Branson, Missouri. Give us a call, 417-334-7543. Or you can check us out on our website, trilakesmotors.com. Check us out on Facebook, Trilakes Ford, Dodge, Chrysler, Jeep. Like us there. Have a great day.